Medical and laboratory logistics may look simple on the surface. You have a pickup, a drop-off, a signature, maybe a couple other stops in between. But behind every successful delivery is a system built to handle high standards, specialized handling, and sometimes complex or unique workflows. Let's take a closer look at what the challenges are, why they matter, and how our software solution can help. Every shipment needs a clear, traceable chain of custody, from the moment it's picked up until its final delivery. One missed scan or undocumented handoff, and compliance is compromised. This could lead to the loss of life-saving medication, or even the loss of a unique specimen that could end up being a fatal mistake if that specimen is unable to be collected again. This can also lead to a loss of time and efficiency trying to find out where this missing item is, all due to lack of chain of custody. With our software solution, chain of custody is no longer a problem. Our driver app provides easy-to-use barcode scanning for your drivers. We have customer-specific shipment requirements such as visual proof of delivery where you can force a picture to be taken with a camera. And we have a client portal where an end user can track their shipment from start to finish from any web browser, either on a computer or even a mobile device. When it comes to specimen transportation, we know that temperature control is a must. If a specimen's temperature falls outside of its requirements, we of course know that this can lead to delayed results or even requiring a costly recollection if a recollection is even possible. This can of course lead to a bad patient experience as they're waiting for timely results and diagnosis on their specimen. To help maintain specimen integrity, our operations app offers multiple levels of refrigeration requirement as well as cold driver capabilities. Now we all know medical campuses are complex and our schedules are all incredibly important. So a driver showing up at the wrong place or even at the wrong time can cause significant delays, which is crucial when everything in the medical field is so time sensitive. To help alleviate this, we have multiple layers of protection to help make sure that the driver is at the right place at the right time. We have early arrival prevention, which makes it so a driver cannot complete an order or route stop before the minimum time on that shipment. We also have location barcode scanning, so a driver is forced to scan a physical barcode at a location to further prove that they were there outside of GPS tracking. So if they're supposed to go to a specific window or a specific lockbox, you can make sure that the driver goes to the right one because they have to scan that barcode in order to continue. Another way we can make sure the driver is at the right place is with our geofencing feature, which makes it so a driver has to be within a certain radius from a specific address's latitude and longitude coordinates. You can customize that latitude and longitude coordinate to make sure it's within the specific area that you want, but they will be able to see a radius on their phone saying whether they are in the specified area. You can make it so they cannot complete that shipment unless they are in that specified radius. Medical and laboratory clients sometimes have highly specific workflows, from stat pickups to multi-stop routes to custom packaging rules or sign-out procedures, and each one requires precision and flexibility to get it right every time. With our operations app, you can utilize many of our great features to make sure these highly specific workflows are met to a T. Whether it be sending the driver custom prompts or reminders using our required driver inputs, or maybe it's using our visual dispatch board and route optimization to make sure those stat pickups are done within the right time frames. Or even take advantage of our new itinerary planning, which is a dynamic routing feature that lets you take a bunch of shipments and split it up amongst different drivers or routes and then optimize it. So you no longer have to spend the time to manually go through each and every one. The system will do it for you in just a couple of clicks. Now I know that some of these challenges may seem small, but at scale, these small challenges can add up fast. That's why medical and laboratory logistics demands more than just transportation. It takes coordination, accountability, and the right tools for the job.